people are asking, a couple of people were asking me a couple of questions. I have been talking about Ovaflopick a lot recently, and people, wanted to know that what is this all about? And just briefly, because I figure if people are asking me in my close circle, or asking me what this is all about, then I figure that a lot of other people will want to know this. And just to let you know, Ovaflopick is simply this: helping people to get to where they want to go through craftsmanship and artisanship. That's the hardcore. That's the core of Ovaflopick. Just to help people, just to get to where they want to go. And we're particularly interested in craftsmanship and artisanship in Africa because there's a lot of creativity going on in places like Nigeria, and all over Africa in a whole. But the problem is there are so many situations that make it hard for them to be able to get their products out here, get it all over the world, for people to see these creativities. And there are a lot of people who want it. There are people who want this craft, who want this, the work, the beauty, but nobody, it's really hard to get it out here. So it's trapped and people are just, it's just where it is. And it's staying where it is when it could actually move far. And so our goal is to provide an avenue for craftsmen and artisans to be able to reach out, get their products in different parts of the world and encourage them the whole creativity. And also, there's a big part to this to encourage, sensible living. I mean, help with sensible living, contribute to sensible living, because these are people also who wanted to have a good standard of income. I mean, a good income, at least something coming in for them to be able to live life in an okay way, to take care of their families. So we see that, and we already get these things. We shop, although it's very hard to get it out here. We already get these things, so we figure, why not create those platforms also for them to be able to get this stuff out here, to be able to get it to different parts of the world, for people to encourage us, to people to be, to see all these beautiful things. So let's just put it this way, creativity, all this artisanship and creativity, artisanship and craftsmanship from Africa to the world. That's it. It's really about that. And we want to be able to help people, help an economy. Yes. So just in a brief note, that's the explanation. There's already going to be a lot of things that's going to be coming out on this. We're going to talk about it a little bit more just for people to understand our why, expatiate on it so people can understand it a little bit better. So again, everyone, be on the lookout. Continue to look out for us. Continue to look out with us, and yeah. All right then. Peace out.